You know Lil Juke made it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another lip gloss video slash, entrepreneurship, whatever. But I'm back with another one. I decided to do my brown nude gloss. Um, if you're following my business page on social media, if not, I'll put it across the screen. But if you're following, you see that I named my lip gloss Cinnamon Roll. I named it because I have the cinnamon roll flavoring in it, and it also reminds me of like the inner feeling of a cinnamon roll, and it smells so amazing. So when I launch y'all, make sure y'all snag one of those, because people have been saying they're gonna get these when I first launch. So make sure y'all are in the list to go get you one, okay? As you can see, I already have my Versagel in the bowl, and then I went and added my oil. I use coconut oil. I was hesitant on which oil I should use, but I went with the coconut oil because it just blends better, and I know for sure that it does hydrate your lips, and it has like that hydrating feel. So I stuck with my coconut oil. Of course, you can't go without that. um, but I started to like adjust it, like you see right here. I'm adding a little bit more. Like I said in my previous lip gloss video, it's pretty much your eyeballing, because every time you're gonna have different amounts of Versagel. But yeah, I pretty much just eyeballed it and got us the right consistency. So if y'all remember watching my unboxing video, I got this little set from TKB, and it had like little sample colors. Well, I decided to do my dark brown, well, not dark brown, but my brown nude using that color, that brown and a white. I mixed it to have that light cinnamon look. So that's what I went with. So when you add your pigments, your lip colorings, the liquid color, or the glitters and whatever additives you can add in it, mix it very well, because um, if you're mixing with two different colors or thick things, you want to make sure it's blended all the way through, because you don't want one of your customers getting something that's not completely blended, and it just gives off a bad impression. But just make sure you're blending it really well and it's mixed really well in together. So you want to get your pipette and your syringe ready. We're gonna cut the both ends of the pipette again, so we can have that extra length to the syringe, so it can fit down the tube correctly, and you won't have all that mess trying to make it go all the way down the tube. Oh yeah, and I forgot around this time to put my cinnamon roll flavoring in it. So I went back and added in my flavoring. Like I said, I don't want to add too much to make it over powerful, but you want to add enough to make it give off that good scent and flavor. Okay, so here, I just cleaned off the bottom of the syringe, and I added the pipette, because if you add the pipette before you clean it off, it's gonna create a slide and it's just gonna make a mess. But here, I just filled up my tubes, and it's a pretty brown color. I like it. So I just did that for every tube. You don't want to fill it too much, like I said, because it's going to create a mess. So that's pretty much the basics of filling up your lip gloss tubes. Once you've done that, you're going to put the inserts in, put the top on. Make sure you put the inserts, because if you don't, it's going to create a mess. But this was pretty much the end result. I hope you guys liked it, because I liked it. And I'll see you guys in my next video.